Eastern West Khasi District ringkat bagari India hi borok away kala shementaman Rakhe ya kajing Laitluid ka bah nyephnyo jong kari India ya kani kajing Rakhe la plong hapok madan maulum ka bah hapok pandem yong ha ka ba kermen sala bolong menteri jong sarkar janla udalong okongsan ba du kantiru ya kala malai rong jong kari India ringkat ka ya donangru UDC jong ka Eastern West Khasi District ba ji khan maplang ki officer sarkar ba kamjuru ki khna school bat ki riu paima kinoi kai ki principal bat ki kwede kin sosnong jong kani ka district haba jingkrana kan de ka jingalang nakalyang jong ba kermen ole thu ya ki jingjob bat ki jingla trikam jong ka sarkar ha kin kisnam ke bladap bat kawe ni ki jingjob ka de ki jingjob ka jing pentrikam ya ka scheme sis pa Sngi ke bla akam ya ki hajar teli ki long yeng nanta susu ole thu uru ba kin kisnam nakalyang jong ka sarkar ka la pentrikam ya ka CM scare hakba la penduna ya ke nyap jikin kami hakapor bagi khaklong rengkat bagi de ki jingjob
alone almost 80,000 households have availed employment opportunities earning a total of rupees 128 crores in wages. The state witnessed one of the sharpest annual rises nationally in women beneficiaries under the scheme. We have also connected almost 5 lakh women with income opportunity to 49,000 self-help groups formed under the National Rural Livelihood Mission. Under social welfare, the state government is committed to care for vulnerable social groups. More than 67,000 senior citizens, 37,000 single mothers, and 14,000 persons with disability are being supported with a monthly pension under the CR Care program. Another 2,000 students with disabilities are being provided scholarships. To combat the challenge of substance abuse, a number of rehabilitation initiatives are being undertaken under the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission, which we call it DRIL. Under the mission Vatsalya scheme, 1,000 children who have fallen upon difficult circumstances are being provided non-institutional care. There are currently 6,162 Anganwadi centers across Meghalaya providing nutritional and developmental care to almost 4.5 lakh children and 65,000 pregnant and nursing mothers. As an outcome of this, we have achieved a significant reduction in malnutrition and stunting among Meghalaya's newborns. Under health and family welfare, Meghalaya's healthcare sector has witnessed a remarkable transformation. State expenditure on healthcare has almost doubled in the last 5 years. Meghalaya is now spending the highest on healthcare compared to all the other Indian states, with over 9% of the state budget allocated to healthcare. This has resulted in a 47% drop in maternal death and a 30% drop in infant mortality. This record drop is attributable to the Chief Minister's Safe Motherhood scheme, which was launched in 2022 to provide timely obstetric care to expectant women in hard-to-reach areas.
Lapun pu penpiang ya kan di kajing Rakhe ya ka Independence Day da kajing ya parit nak haleng jong ki Meghalaya Police nak haleng jong NCC Bharat Scout and Guide bat kamjuru ki khina school.
Platoon Commander for the Meghalaya Police Eastern West Khasi's DEF Kyrang WPSI A Thongni. Cadet Corps, St. Thomas High Secondary School, Platoon Commander Mickey Ann Simon, Placard Bearer Lina L. Kinshi, Flag Bearer Damang Kupang L. Nonglan. Mairang Video Duty Inclusive Secondary School, Sangshong, Scouting Guide, Platoon Commander, Placard Bearer, Emma, Bak Cordor Marwin, flag bearer Nang Sanban Roy Wadri. Mairang Presbyterian English Secondary School, Willie Donald L. Longlight Platoon Commander, Vivan Ker L. Nokum Placard Bearer, Dashan Borskem L. Molong Flag Bearer. Pendeng Umyong Presbyterian Secondary School, Alban Saranongrang Platoon Commander, Lakintio Wajri Placard Bearer, Da E. Lasso El Molong Flag Bearer. Mairang Presbyterian Academy, Bawanlang El Monai Platoon Commander, Damaksan Nongput Placard Bearer, Stephen Gray El Monai Flag Bearer. Before us, St. Xavier Secondary School, Nongkher, Samaga Nangrung Platoon Commander, In Sapunpa Basangat Placard Bearer, Bariga Lami Carcentil Flag Bearer. Shami Bante Khangkaliang Placard Bearer. Now, Jidor Singh Memorial Secondary School, Maunai, Bunjurlang Merthong Platoon Commander, Medon Boklang El Maunai Placard Bearer, Nangkyu Shaprang Lina Flag Bearer. Ivan Theodore Elkinshi, Flag Bearer Happy Lakman El Lemkhoi.